This emergency alert was issued on September 27, 2044 at 9:47 a.m. At 8:36 a.m., communications have been lost with Europe. Communication attempts are still being made. At 9:17 a.m., random areas have started experiencing Richter scale 5 earthquakes, sudden temperature changes, and gravity distortion. The U.S. government is issuing an order to stay indoors until further notice.
Oh, hey Ralph, how are you? Nah, I'm just kinda chilling in my bed. Oh my god, I know, right? He's so annoying. You could be doing literally anything and he won't shut up about it. Oh, now, isn't that true? I can't wait for this quarantine to be over. It's so pointless anyways. Like, just because Europe's having a little emo trip doesn't mean you need to ruin my sleigh.
This emergency alert was issued on October 1st, 2044 at 7:56 p.m. Several unusual hostile creatures sightings have occurred throughout Brazil, Australia, Peru, and Venezuela. Sightings have not yet started in the United States, however the Coast Guard and Army reserves have been deployed should they begin to occur. Please stay indoor, and if you spot anything out of the ordinary, please contact local law enforcement immediately.
Oh my god, Mom, I hate you. There aren't any monsters in the United States. Do you even believe the EAS? You are just using it as an excuse for me not to see my friends. It's because you don't like Ralph, isn't it? The only monsters here are you.
This emergency alert was issued on October 24th, 2044 at 4:55 a.m. All other countries excluding Canada, America, and Mexico have been de-established and have been declared no-go zones. Hostile creature sightings have started occurring across the United States. The Coast Guard have been deployed to help evacuate towns under attack. Please stay indoors until the Coast Guard arrives to your town to help evacuate all U.S. citizens to Canada until the crisis has been resolved. The United States has also lifted all firearm and weapon laws so you can defend yourself or your families until the Coast Guard arrives. Please stay calm during this time of panic. We must stay strong, together, and united.
Oh, God. Why did I say those mean things? She's dead and all I did is insult her. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please, God, no.
This emergency alert was issued November 16th, 2044 at 9:01 p.m. Martial law has been declared all unevacuated capable of evacuating further United States citizens. Canada is the only country still capable of reassembling the pre-crisis world that's still capable of homeland defense. All civilians are welcome and will be safe there. It is advised you migrate to Canada immediately. All countries, excluding America and Canada, will be bombed on December 2025 to weaken the helpful creatures that have invaded our world. Heavily populated towns such as Oklahoma City and other large cities will also be bombed. If you are in those